Free kicks are always dangerous on EAFC games, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can make your free kicks better and efficient. Before we start, make sure that you have a player that is good for this position. These tips will help you, but if you have a good free kick player, your shots will be even more effective. The first one is a classic, and for me, the most beautiful one. The knuckleball shot is that type of shot that you think your opponent is too far to risk it, and he probably won't do it, but when you realize the ball is into the net. The first thing that you want to do is aim in the middle of the ball, and do not worry, the option of knuckleball won't be written, but you can make it either way. You have to use the right stick of your controller and aim almost at the bottom of the ball. You will see that the line will have a sinuous shape. That is what we want. With the left stick, try to aim at the corner of the goal. Then you want to put 3 to 3 bars and a half of power. Honestly, it will depend on how far you are from the goal, your player abilities of shot power, free kick accuracy, etc. This is a shot that needs practice because the trajectory is very random, so take your time. Next, we got 2 easy shots, but even more effective than the previous one. While the knuckleball you will need a distance far from 30 yards, these 2 you will need to stay on the 20s. The first one is the inside foot curled. With your right stick, aim at the bottom right of the ball, and with the left one, try to aim to the last player's head on the wall. 2.5 to 3 is more than enough for your shot power. The last one is the outside foot curled, and it is basically the same thing as the inside foot, but rather than aiming at the bottom right of the ball, you will aim at the bottom left, aiming to the head of the first player in the wall. And with these tips, I am sure that you can take better free kick shots. Remember, I've used a right-footed player on this video, but you can do it all with a left-footed too. You just need to invert the directions.